417 million, that is the number of people in India between the age of 15 to 50 that have hair fall problems. While there are many solutions to this problem, chemical, surgical, Ayurvedic, there is one solution that has been known for thousands of years. If you search the term Balayam, you will get more than 36,000 results on Google. That is one way of dealing with this problem, which has been recognized by millions of people and has been talked about, is common knowledge and has been for I don't know how many years. You must have heard at least someone tell you about this solution to hair fall problems. What is Balayam? Balayam basically is simply the rubbing of your fingernails with each other. How does it work? There are two theories which, according to a lot of experts, makes Balayam effective to solve hair fall problems. One is the theory of adult stem cells and the other is the theory of reflexology. While I will not bore you with the details of what these theories are, you can easily search for them on Google. I will definitely tell you that Balayam has worked for a lot of people, at least the ones who I have talked to have advocated the efficacy of this solution. So here's the problem. Balayam is a physical exercise. A physical exercise which, according to most experts, should be done at least twice a day for 10 minutes each. That means it's more like a workout. And in today's day and age, in our busy lives, workouts generally fade away, especially when they show results in 6 months. That is problem number one. Problem number two, a normal human being can only do the practice of Balayam for about 200 times in a minute. So the number of cycles that is done in a minute is maximum is 200. That is problem number two. That is why we at SID07 Designs invented Keshaa. Keshaa is a device that not only mimics the practice of Balayam but does it at a rate 35 times faster. What you're doing in 200 times in a minute while doing Balayam, Keshaa does the same thing but 7,000 times in a minute. And because Keshaa gives you 7,000 cycles of this in a minute, you don't need to do it 10 minutes each for twice a day. You can do it for 2 minutes each, twice a day, and it will give you results. The same results that Balayam was giving you in 6 months, Keshaa can give you in 3 months. And not only that, Keshaa is a rechargeable device, and because of the way it was functionally designed and engineered, you don't need to charge it a lot of times. You charge it once and it will basically last for at least 2 months, depending on the amount of use that you're putting it to. So how does Keshaa work? It's very simple as it gets. You basically place your fingers inside the 4 slots given here, all fingers except your thumb. There is a spring that pushes this vibrator on top of your fingernails, so you will feel that it's tight. It's not actually tight, it's designed to be tight so that it holds your fingers properly. There's a button on the back side of Keshaa. You press that button and you hold it. You basically just hold it and you can do your work, you can talk to someone, whatever you want to do while you're using Keshaa. Do it for around 2 to 3 minutes on one hand, then press the button again, then you do the same on the other hand. It's as simple as that. After more than 8 months of research and development, Keshaa is finally in production. And it's available on our website for pre-orders already. We're going to launch Keshaa on 27th of March 2023, but we are taking pre-orders at a highly discounted price for a limited time only. So if you have hair fall problems or if you know someone who has hair fall problems, go on to our website SID07.com, SID07.com, and find out more info about Keshaa, why it works, and how it can help you or someone else with their hair fall problems. See you there. Thank you.